19. The Departing Pastor. A pastor telephoned recently, not to ask for counsel, but simply to have someone to talk to. He's leaving his pastoral charge after 6 very successful years. A moderate church in size when he arrived, it has grown substantially. Visitors come from miles away to hear him, and the church, while having new buildings, must now plan on much larger facilities. The congregation loves him and is proud of their church. But he's leaving to start a mission work in a small community in another state. Why? I couldn't take it any longer, he told me. They want to be big, important and successful, not useful to the Lord. When the pastor, soon after arriving, asked for a Christian school, the church voted it down, then and each year since. When he suggested organising the women for a ministry of help, 1 day a month for each volunteer to the many elderly shut-ins, they told him that, with their present growth after their new building project, they could add someone to the staff for that purpose. All they want, said the pastor, is good preaching, no application, a good centre for the families of the church, no concern beyond themselves. What we have, he told me, is an important Bible-believing community centre, not an army for Jesus Christ, and they will not change. As a result, he's leaving to start a new work, and a Christian school is part of it. I'm sure the congregation will be bewildered. They will offer him more, not stopping to think that he is leaving to take much less. They will never understand until they face up to the key question, is the church there to serve me and my family, or my community, or to serve the Lord Jesus Christ?